What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to revert back from ScooterHacking Utility app to the stock firmware your Ninebot G30 Max, also suitable to any other products that support ScooterHacking firmware. So as you see now, I have ScooterHacking firmware version 3.10.3. I connected to Ninebot MAX G30 here, click on flash, load from repo, DRV, and use the first version as an example to download. So now I click install, you use the first version for your scooters, and you can always update. Actually, that's the most reliable way to try it out in case the first version doesn't work. So you can try any other for downgrade, and it will be switched back to the stock firmware from the ScooterHacking Utility firmware. So let's wait. Okay, so you see it's success, it's done, it's switched to 0 here, and we have the regular firmware, which is not from ScooterHacking Utility, but from the Ninebot, the stock app. And that's how you can do it very fastly within 1 minute.